Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this introduction video to JavaScript variables. So before we get started, I would like you to check whether you've got Node installed properly, and you can do so by going over to your terminal, type node-v, and if it shows a version number, you're good to go. So first of all, I will create a new file called main.js, our first JavaScript file. And I would like to introduce you to the const keyword, which is being used to declare a variable. So I could say const, my name is Mitchell. Now I can use this function called console log, and I could pass the my name variable to it. And when I save the file, I can run it using Node by saying node main.js, the file name, press enter, and now you see it logs Mitchell to the console. Now let's say I want to change this name. I could say my name is John. When I run the file again, you see we got an error, and it will say assignment to constant variable. And that's true because const stands for a constant variable, and most of the time you will be using this. However, if you want to change it later on, you could change it to let. And now you will see if I run the code, it will execute perfectly fine. Now, let's say I want to say, hello, my name is Mitchell, or John in this case, since we changed the variable itself. I could say, hi, my name is plus my name. When I run the file again, there we go. Hi, my name is John. I forgot a space right here. So this is one way to connect, for example, a string to a variable. But what I recommend you to do, and you will see this a lot in code bases, they use string interpolation or template literals. So now I could say, hello, my name is, and I will type the $, curly brackets, and say my name. I save it, run the script again, and there we go. And the nice thing is now I can continue saying, for example, I'm 50 years old, and it will still work. So that was it for JavaScript variables, and I will see you in the next video.